Smart charts. In the last class, we discussed the maximum number of questions. Let us continue the topic and we will try to complete this. It's very easy. In the last class, what is the last question in the last class?
So which question?
What we did in the last class, the last question.
Sir,
Last question is which is hottest city?
Yeah.
Hottest-
Yes. Deepanshu was there.
and
that
the
question.
coldest.
Yes, sir.
So we discussed about Deepanshu and
Dhanush.
Dhanush. Okay, now
Dhanush.
the next question I am going to share. This is for all 5B students. This is about 5B students.
Oh no.
See, this is about 5B students.
No, sir, we are not monkeys, sir.
No.
Sir, we are not monkeys.
Sir, we are not monkeys.
You are.
No, sir, we are not.
Okay, 5B students in zoo. Look at the question. This shows the number of students of 5B in the zoo in different years. Okay, go through the chart. I will ask the questions afterwards. This is not in our textbook. I will share this afterwards. No need to write. Just answer the questions. That shows the number of zoos in the zoo different years. In the starting, there were 20 monkeys. After 1 year, became 38. Same like last problem, rabbits about New Zealand. We did know. Rabbits in America or something. Similar to that, I prepared one extra question here. Second year, the number of monkeys become 74, then 146 like this. Okay. Now,
Australia.
of course, answers already I wrote here. After which year the number of monkeys crosses 1,000? After which year?
After 6 years.
Yes.
6th year, sir.
After 6 years.
Sir, after 5th year, sir, it crosses 1,000, sir, because sir, at
Yes.
year it's
Sir.
1,154. So
That means
after
it is more than
fifth year,
1,000.
it crosses.
Okay. How many monkeys were there in the beginning? How many monkeys were there in the beginning?
20 monkeys, sir.
20. Starting there were 20 monkeys. Okay. How many monkeys are there in the third year?
146.
146.
146.
Okay. So these are the questions and answers. I will share this after the class. Now, this is extra question not in the textbook. One extra question I shared. Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
This you have to do now. Please do it. Make a tally chart of the following data showing the number of ice creams sold by the ice cream seller in 5 days of the week. Monday, total 14 ice creams he will sell. Tuesday, 12 ice creams. You have to show that 14 in the form of tally mark.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Should we write this in textbook?
No, it is not the textbook question. You can write in the notebook.
Sir, it's like this, sir. 14 tally marks.
Yes, tally marks you can draw in any way. What we learned in the 4th class, you can do that, or boxes you can do it. 14 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the method what we learned in 4th class. You can do it. Otherwise, you can go for boxes. 5 lines, 4 lines. Any method you can follow. I am not going to object you. It is your choice.
So then 12 one is this one, sir. The 12 monkeys.
Monkeys. From where you got monkeys?
Sir, I mean ice creams.
That's why I told you you are monkeys. That's why you are thinking about monkeys. Tuesday 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2.
And then 2 lines. And sir, at Wednesday 25.
Yeah.
10.
Lines is the easy method which we learned in 4th class. You can continue the same. No one is going to object you.
Sir, 25 ice creams. was sold in Wednesday, sir. Something like this. Sir, can you see my book, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
So 21, 25.
Yes.
Sir, I'm
Yes.
going.
Wednesday 25.
So the least ice cream sold on Thursday. In Thursday.
Thursday 9.
Nine. 21. 21 is very. Sir, 21 will do it in the tally marks like this.
Yes.
Tally mark.
Yes, correct. 4 lines and a cross line gives 5. You can use the boxes or lines, whichever you want, you can do it.
The boxes are a bit tough type.
No, it is just drawing the lines only, no? Making a box.
But sir, I like the old one.
Yeah. 9th class, in 8th and 9th, again you will get tally marks. There also we draw only lines.
Yes, I know, sir. My brother did it.
Which class is?
The 11th.
Okay.
Sir, till 10th class, he learned in KVUOH, sir.
Oh,
From LKG.
what is his name?
Sir, Hamdan.
Done, sir.
Yes, I showed you also.
Yeah.
And tally mark.
All completed, then I will go to the next question. Next question is on pie charts. You have to observe carefully and just answer.
Sir, 1 minute. Can you go back? Sir, yes, sir. Please, can you go back once?
Answer is there on the board. You can go through the board. Those who completed, they can go to the pie chart. Ronnie's store is the best shop for buying combined items. They made a pie chart on the sale of these items in a week. Torch, bag, sleeping bag, tent, binoculars.
So this question is also not there.
Yes.
The text.
It is not there in the textbook. We have only one question of pie chart. So I'm giving 2 extra questions so that you can practice well. I will share this. Now you just tell the answers. I will share this. You can take the printout or you can draw the circle. You can do it. You can write it.
Sir, the item which is sold most is torch.
You can see
Yes,
the
sir.
whole circle is divided into 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, torch is the major portion. Half of the portion is torch.
Yes.
Other half, binocular tent 25%, sleeping bag and bag 25%. There you can see sleeping bag occupies more, then binocular next, tent, then last is bag. Okay,
So which item was sold the least?
sleeping bag.
Bag was sold the least.
People go for trekking, who go to the forest places, they need all these items. Okay. Let us answer the questions. Which item is sold the most?
Torch, sir.
Torch.
The torch.
Which item is sold more? Torch.
Sir,
Torch.
did we
So
write
the
this
least
also
is
in
bag
notebook?
and
No, this
tenth is
you write this afterwards. I will share this. Which item was sold the least? Least.
Bag, sir.
Bag.
Sir.
Look at the circle. I already gave the answers, but look at the circle and check whether my answer is right or not. Out of tent
Okay,
and
sir.
bag, which is sold more? Out of tent and bag,
tent.
tent is sold more.
Tent.
Fine.
Tent, sir.
Okay.
Tent.
Next, bag or torch?
Bag or torch?
Torch.
Torch.
Torch. Obviously, torch is already
Torch,
maximum. So
sir.
torch is the answer. Next,
Answer, sir.
sleeping bag or binocular?
Sir, sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag.
Bag.
Yes, because in the other part, 50% for binocular torch, remaining sleeping bag and bag. Sleeping bag more because bag is small. Which is sold
Sir,
more?
sorry.
Tent or binocular?
Sir,
Binoculars.
Binoculars are sold more. That occupies more space. You can see there. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next. Sleeping bag and tent. Which
Sir,
is sold
sleeping
more?
bag is sold.
Sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag, sir.
Yes.
In the tent.
You have to just look at the circle. The portions are mentioned there. Read the circle, read the pie chart and give the answers. In exam also, you will be given a pie chart. Questions will be asked like this in the Google form. Okay, don't write, just read the answers.
Okay, sir.
I will share this, you can write afterwards. Now look at this.
Okay, sir.
Look at this. The following pie chart shows the number of different trees in a school. Listen, don't answer, listen. Number of trees are shown, number of trees available in a school is shown. Mango trees, banana, tamarind, lemon, apple, mulberry. If you look at this, maximum is mango, then followed by banana, then tamarind, then apple, then lemon, least
Mulberry.
is mulberry. 6 questions are there. I need answers further.
So the first answer is mango. Second answer is mulberry.
It is not first and second. Repeat the question, give the answer. It is not first and second. Read the question, give the answer. First one.
Okay, sir.
Most common tree. Most common tree.
Mango.
Mango.
Mango, sir.
Mango is more here, more share. Shiva Shakti, are you there in the class? Give the answers.
Yes, sir.
Least common tree. Very less number.
Mulberry.
Mulberry.
Sir, mulberry.
Lohit, what are you doing? Look at the class. Answer the questions. Which tree is common? Apple and lemon. Which is more? Apple. Tamarind, banana. Which is more?
Banana.
Banana.
Sir.
Mulberry and banana.
Banana, sir.
Lemon and banana.
Banana, sir.
Yes.
Banana,
Yes, fine. Okay.
MMABBB.
Family tree.
Next we have family tree.
Then we have a family tree in our textbook. Shobha's Dada's father. Shobha's.
The textbook question will come later. First look at these 2 small examples. Ritu is the kid. Ritu's parents, listen. Ritu's father, Ritu's mother, they are next generation. So first generation is Ritu, for example, student of 5th class. Her fathers, they are second generation. Her mother name is Neetu. Neetu having father and mother alive. So Neetu's father and mother, they become grandparents of Ritu. So Ritu's grandparent comes in third generation. Parents in second generation, grandparents in third generation. Grandparents, parents, they are called great grandparents.
Great grandparents. Great grandparents.
They are in fourth generation. Okay. Just look at the table. No questions to be answered here. Just observe. This is the family tree. Before we go to our textbook problem, which is very lengthy, before that, I want to give some small examples so that will be easy for you. Just read. Nothing to do here. No need to answer anything. Just observe how the family tree will be. You can imagine your family tree. You can imagine yourself, your parents, their parents. Take mother parents or father parents, anyone. No need to do both. Anyone. And their parents, if you remember, if you have seen them or if you know the names, you can see the table, 4 generations. Yourself, first generation, your parents in second generation, their parents means your grandparents, third generation, and your grandparents' parents, fourth generation. They are called great grandparents. You have seen the chart?
Generation.
Grandparents, grandparents, great grandparents. Okay. Now look at the second question. Sarita and Sarita's brother. Sarita's brothers, siblings. Their parents, Sarita's mother, father and mother are there. And Sarita's father, parents also I mentioned here. They are called grandparents of Sarita. Okay. Grandparents of Sarita. Father's parents are called grandparents, but they are called as Dada, Dadi. Mother's parents are called
Nana, Nani.
Nana, Nani.
Nana, Nani.
These are the Hindi words. But in English, we call grandparents. All are grandparents only. But in Hindi, we have specific clarification. Dada, Dadi, Nana, Nani. You can see in the last.
All are grandparents.
You can look at the last slide. Stop again. In the last table, I have shown Ritu's parents, father parents, mother parents, Dada, Dadi, Nana, Nani. Now look at this second Sarita's table. From this, I would like to answer these questions. What are Sarita's grandparents called?
Okay, sir.
In the
Dada
table,
and
grandparents
Dadi, sir.
in the table, listen, in the table, father parents are mentioned, mother parents are not mentioned. So these grandparents are called Dada, Dadi. Okay. Sarita's parents are called father and mother. Father and mother. Father also can be called as Papa, mother can be called as Mummy. Okay. Now look at the textbook question. Look at the textbook question. Here, up to 5 generations are given. Grandparents, great grandparents, their parents, great grandparents. Up to 5 generations, the table is mentioned. Madhav's parents, father and mother. Mother parents, Dada, Nana, Nani. Okay. And their parents, parents of grandparents, great grandparents. Grandparents, parents, great grandparents. Look at the table carefully. Please look at the table carefully so that we can answer the questions. If you have the textbook, you can see the same question in your textbook also.
Yes, sir.
Now, by looking at the textbook problem, let me answer some questions. Stop talking, please. All of you concentrate this question. Please go through the question. It is there in your textbook also. Who is talking there? Who is talking there?
Sir.
Who is making noise in the background? Yeah, all of you please go through the chart. It is very important because next two questions based on this. Look at the first generation, second generation, third, fourth, fifth also mentioned here. Okay. It is there in the textbook also. Please go through the textbook also. Now let us answer the questions. How many grandparents in all does Shobha have? Shobha's grandparents. Look at the table. How
Sir,
many
I guess
grandparents
14.
are there for
Sir.
Shobha?
14.
Shobha's only grandparents. Shobha's grandparents. In the diagram. In the diagram.
Only grand 2.
Listen.
Only
Listen.
grand 2.
Listen. I said listen means stop talking. In the table, Shobha's father and mother mentioned. Their parents also mentioned. So Shobha's father's parents, Dada Dadi. Shobha's mother parents, Nana Nani. All four are grandparents. So here father parents, mother parents, both are mentioned. That means 4 grandparents are mentioned. Only grandparents, not great grandparents. So Shobha's father parents, mother parents, total 4 are mentioned. So what is the answer? Shobha has 4 grandparents. Dada, Dadi, Nani, Nani. Okay. Is the first question answered? You can write in the textbook itself.
Yes, sir. I wrote.
Very good. Second question. How many great grandparents in all does Madhav have? Madhav having how many great grandparents? Madhav having 8 great grandparents. 8. You can look at the chart. Madhav's great grandparents means last, the top one. Madhav in the bottom, first generation. 5th generation, see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 great grandparents are there.
How many? Done, sir.
In the table, up to 5 generations is given. Can you guess what will be there in 7th generation? 7th generation.
In 7th generation, the grandparents.
Number. I need now numbers. See.
7th generation they are.
5th generation.
24. 8 grandparents.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. Each one will have 2. Each one will have father, mother. So each one will have 2. So there will be in 6th generation, there will be double to that. You can see every time it is getting double. 3rd generation 2 are there. 4th generation 4 are there. 5th generation 8 into 2. Into 2. You got my point?
Yes, sir. At the 7th, it will be 32. 32 people.
Into 2 will be done.
Yes, sir. 32 total.
Every person will have father and mother. So every person will have father and mother. You have to double it. 3rd generation 2 are there. 4th generation 2 into 2 4 are there. 5th generation 4 into 2 8 are there. 6th generation, these 8 grandparents, each one will have 2 parents.
16.
So 16 will be there. 7th one, 16 into 2. 32 will be there. If you have 8th generation, 32 into 2, 64 will be there.
64.
Next 64 into 2, 128 will be there.
128.
That is in 9th generation. Okay. Every time into 2. So now you answer the question. See. 3rd question. How many elders will be there in 7th generation? 32.
32 elders.
32,
Every time multiplying 2. Now in which generation 128 will be there?
9th generation.
9th
Ninth
generation.
generation. Say whatever I did on the board, I wrote everything there. Into
Sir,
2.
but at the next generation, sir, will be the second generation, sir. Now we are the first generation, but next will be the second generation.
Okay.
Like that will be the 9th generation.
Yes, sir.
Imagine your great grandsons will be doing this question after so many years. You will become then great grandparents. Completed? No, this is clear. I am going to send this. Nothing to worry. You can write leisurely.
Okay, sir. Sir, the video which you had sent, it was very useful for us now.
Okay.
Sir, once you can question answers.
Look at this. This also from the textbook only. Textbook question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Draw the chart of a plant. The plant which is growing. Beginning,
Yes,
the
sir.
plant seed will be inside there. After 4 days, the plant seed, from the seed, plant is growing 1.4 centimeters. After 8 days, 5 centimeters. After 12 days, 9.1, 9.5. After that, slowly increasing, 10.2, 10.9. Okay. So this is the growth of the plant which is shown in the graph. The
Length.
horizontal line is number of days. Vertical line is length of the plant in centimeters. You can see the red dot in the beginning at 0. 0 means when the seed is taken, there is no length of the plant. It is 0 only. After 4 days, you can see the red dot between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2 is
Yes, sir.
1.5. Between 1 and 2 is 1.5. You can see this chart in the textbook.
Yes,
This
yes.
is from the textbook only,
Yes,
not
sir.
the question. Parents are talking. TV is running. What is this? I've seen the chart. It is there in the textbook. Now try
Yes,
to answer
sir.
the questions. Try to answer these questions. From the chart, try to answer these questions. Questions are there in the textbook itself. You can write the answers in the textbook itself.
Sir, the most
One by one.
is, sir, between 8 to 12.
Between which days the length of the plant changed most? As days progress, length of the plant, there is no much difference. But in the beginning, there is a rapid difference. So when is the difference?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it can be
4 to 8 days, sir. 4 to 8 days.
4
to
to 8
8
to
days.
12.
8 to 12, sir.
8 to 12. Look at the chart.
9 to 12.
It
8
is
to 12.
on 8 days, it is
5.
5 point. After 12, it is went for 9 point. So between 8 to 12 days, there is a rapid growth
5.2.
in the length of the plant.
Sir, I even drew the line, sir.
Yes.
How did the plant grow?
Second question. Second one. What could be the length of the plant on 14th day? On 14th day means you have to draw a line on 14. Between 12 and 16, no? Between 12 and 16. What you have to do is, you have to join the points. You have to join the points by a curve. Then easily you can do it. I will tell you how to do this.
3.5, sir.
3.5. That's the
See, you have to join the points by a curve. Then 14 means it comes between here. Okay. Can you see this? I'm doing a drawing here.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see.
So between 12 and 16. So between 12 and 16, which line is there?
Yeah, sir. This line, sir.
Yeah. Which is coming around 10, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roughly at 10. Roughly at 10.
Sir, 10.2, sir. Or we can, yes, sir. Roughly at 10.2 or 9.9.
Yeah. Around 10. So 9.9 is the answer.
So just now I said
9.9. If we join whatever the graph in the textbook, you join by a smooth curve. Smooth curve. Join all the points by curve. Then you will get wherever you want.
Sir, I drew it with straight line, sir.
No, not straight line. It is a curve, not by line.
Sir, but in the video, sir, it shows that it's straight line, sir.
Next. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Next. If the plant is keep growing all the time, will the plant will keep growing all the time?
No.
No.
No,
After
sir.
a few days, it will stop growing and it will go,
Yes,
it
sir.
will end up with a die. So in the beginning, there will be a rapid change. After that, slowly it will grow. One fine day, it will stop growing. Then it will die after a few days. So two questions are there. Will the plant keep growing all the time? No.
No.
What will be the length after 100 days?
Sir,
What
maybe
will be the
17.
length after 100 days?
So it will be a tree.
It will be a tree, sir.
Huh?
Sir, tree, it will be a tree.
What will be its length? Length, he's asking the length. Length of the tree.
I think, sir, 69 or 70.
If you look at the diagram,
Sir, 69 centimeters.
that much.
No, sir, it will be so long, sir, because it's almost, it will be almost a tree, sir.
12 days, 9.5. 16 days, 10.2. 20 days, 10.9. So how much increase is there? $0.7. Am I right?
Yes, sir, 0.7.
Here, what is the gap? Here, what is the gap?
4.
4 days. Every 4 days, roughly, after a particular stage, every 4 days, 0.7 is the increase. Now 10, 20, 24, 28, like this, 100 days. 100 days. So 20 to 100, how many days? 80 days. 4 days, if I divide, that will be 20. So 20 I will get. 20 I will get means 0.7 into 20. Roughly I am taking. So that will become 14. So already we have 10.9 here, 14 increase. 10.9 and 14. 24 point something will be there. But if it increases, same 0.7, 0.7. But as the days progress, this much increase will not be there. The increase will be slow. So it may not be 24, it can be roughly 20 or something. So approximately 20 or less than 21. It will not grow rapidly or days progress. the increase will be very small. It can be around 20 or less than 20 only, not more than 20 also. The textbook answer is 17 to 18 is given roughly, because no one can guess exact, because it is not a sequence. It is not a pattern that it has to increase like this only. Beginning rapid increase, then slow increase. So I did a rough calculation here. I am getting around 20 or 17, 18, something. Around 20, which any answer is right.
But trees can live more than us, sir.
Yeah. Lifespan will be more for some trees.
Yes, sir, because 100 days. But
okay, so
not in a year.
Yeah, that is the end of this question. Last time also I asked for this question. What is the missing number? No one gave the answer. What is the missing number here?
So 7.
No, what is the logic?
Sir, 2.
What is the logic? What is the logic? Give the answer with logic.
So the third one, 5, 5, 1, 3. And the fourth one, 6, 1, 2.
The logic behind the numbers, if you can find, you will get. And it is a mathematics class. So you have to think in terms of mathematics. See here, 7, 4, 6, 2. If you observe carefully, there may be a link of addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. What is 7, 6? What is 7, 6?
42, sir.
Is this
8.
7, 6, 42? 9, 9,
2.
9, 9, 81.
81, sir. 9, 9,
81.
2.
2.
2 is the answer.
82. Answer is 2, sir.
Sir, not this one, sir. Another one, sir. This is the Sir, can you give another question, sir? Leaving the matchstick, sir.
Okay, math question I'm not doing. Done.
Yes, sir. Just give without matchstick. We should draw on the board, sir. We should draw on the board.
Okay.
Sir, is there will be any riddle today?
Huh?
Any riddle today?
I gave no just now. This one completed no.
Another.
Sir, give another one.
Okay. There is
Leaving matchstick.
a playground. Playground of radius 50 feet. There is a big playground of radius 50 feet. Exactly at the center, there is an iron pole. There is an iron pole like our school playground, very big playground, 50 feet radius. There is a big pole of 10 feet high, which is inside the earth, which used for flag hosting and everything. There is a big pole here. What is happening? There is a dog. Dog will not be like this, I think. There is a dog. There is a strong belt which is kept to his neck. There is a dog with having a belt in the neck and 15 feet rope. 15 feet rope is there. One end of the rope is strictly tightened to the belt of the neck. Okay. So there is a dog with the belt in the neck, and the belt is tightened with a 15 feet length rope. Got my point? Listen carefully. Now this dog is left here, exactly at the center. How much radius it can walk? How much radius it can walk?
How many feet is it? How many meter is tied in his neck?
No, you forget about that. 15 feet is still there. Whatever is tightened after that, 15 feet is there. That centimeter small, you neglect about it. Kukka undi, kukka meda undi, meda ku belt undi. Belt ku 15 feet third kattam. Clear? Exactly at the center. 10 feet length pole, 15 feet length rope. If it is kept here, how long it can move? 10 feet or 15 feet or more or less? How? How much?
Sir, the total radius?
How much radius it can walk? This one. I want this or this. Enta distance travel cheyagalagu. How much distance it can move?
Sir, 75.
Huh?
75, sir.
75. You are adding everything, no? How 75?
15 only, na sir.
15 only. 15 only. One answer sounds good, but I want other answers also, because this is not the correct answer. Generally, I'll anibisundi. By looking at the question.
Sir, 60?
60.
Yes, sir, 60 feet.
What is the logic?
Sir, because it can it can walk the radius his rope is 15 feet long, sir.
How 60
So
is the
15
answer?
into 4.
How 60 is the answer? What is the logic?
15 into 4.
15 into why 15 into 4? Why into 4?
Sir, because there are 4 sides, sir.
No. Circle will have many radius, no? It is not only 4, many radius. All are equal radius. I am asking from this point, maximum how much distance it can travel. Any direction. Any direction, how much maximum distance? That is my question. Answer this. You said you want a different question, not matchsticks. I gave. Now answer this.
Sir, please explain it again.
Simple question. I have told you. How many times you want me to explain?
Sir, it can walk the whole ground, sir, because his rope is not tied to the pole, sir.
Huh?
Sir, his rope is not tied on the pole, sir, so he can walk more than that can walk.
Yes, you are exactly right, Huzifa. In the question, I stressed many times about the neck belt 15 feet rope. Other end of the rope is not tightened to the pole. I never said that.
Sir, I said it that it didn't tie it.
So 15 feet rope, one end is tightened to the neck. Other end of the rope is not tightened anywhere. I never mentioned it. When dog is kept here, dog can go any direction, any way. Dog can go out of the ground. It will go anywhere. So how much it can travel? As per its wish. It can travel any feet. No need to be 15. No need to be 15 or. Okay. I kept dog is left here. I never said dog is tightened to the pole. I never used that word. Okay.
That's what you did. Sir, the question was a bit easy. Not
Yes,
that
good
easy.
answer. That's why when puzzles are asked, you must listen carefully. Do you remember I said 66 went to a tea stall, taken tea? Do you remember?
Yes, sir. There
Yeah.
are 66
6. Okay.
Punjabi.
You have to listen carefully.
Punjabi.
Okay. That's for today class. Next class onwards, we start revision. I will
No
share
other
the work,
riddles?
whatever we have done. Please answer them in the textbook. Additional problems you have to do in the notebook.
Sir, I have done it.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.